Whew. Come on, dude. Thanks, dude.
Alright, so Brent and I were at Stoney Point and we've been climbing out here a lot. And what we've been up to is we've been coming up with a circuit. So every time we're here, we have a set of climbs that we're doing. And the one that you saw right now, it's part of it. So it's part of the circuit. So we have the V3 on this side, left side, the V2, and the V4. There you go. And so far, what I'm trying to do, well, Brent as well, we're trying to see the progress based on how many attempts it takes us to send it. So our goal is to be able to get it on our first attempt. So day flash all of these climbs. Another climb we're working on is Angel's Wings. Angel's Wings is on this side. So like I mentioned, we have these 3 climbs here. Brent, can you show us Angel's Wings?
Yeah. Starts here. Or I think here.
Can you be a little bit louder for me?
Starts over here.
Uh-huh.
And you go out right. And then, yeah.
And then up?
And then up. Like usual.
Like usual. Not down.
Usually we go down sometimes, but
yeah, when we're tired. All right, here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna do the V2 right now, which left hand start, right hand start. Alright, and then the V4. Brent, can we get a different angle?
Okay.
So, Brent's helping me film today, so thank you, Brent. Alright, there's the V4. You guys have seen this one before. So far, I'm able to day flash these 2, but this one takes me some time. Let me try it right now real quick. So, I'm gonna try it again. So instead of using this foot, which Brent doesn't like, and he's right, I'm gonna go higher, which feels awkward, but once I have both feet, it feels good. So I'm gonna do that. Here we go. It's pretty much a dead point to that hold. Wish me luck, Brent.
Good luck, dude.
Wait, where was your left foot? I forgot. Where was your left
It's
foot?
on that dish.
Oh, okay. So before I was using this. So I was out here. Okay. Cool.
Alright, homie.
Okay. Oh.
this one psychs you out or something.
It's something is off. It just feels weird being like this for me and then going off. Yeah, but I have to get used to it. I have to get used to it.
Come on, Ozzy.
Brent makes it look so easy. This is a 3, by the way. It's a V3.
Yeah, dude. There it is.
Woo, there you go. Man, it's a tough one. I struggle more on this one than the other ones. All right, so Brent, where are we gonna go today? What are we gonna climb?
Power glide.
Power glide. That one's hard. All right, let's go. All right, Brent. How are you feeling about power glide?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
No.
That one's hard. It's so hard, man. It's right over there.
That's like the hardest 6 in here. Don't you think?
So, power glide. Now this climb here, it's a V6, but it's not a regular V6. Like I said, it is difficult. So the crux on this one is a left-hand crimp. This crimp here, it has a tooth, so it's pretty sharp on this part right here. And the thing is, even going for this left hand, you have to position your body so you can do that dynamic move, that power move, right hand to this hold here. Now, this is what I've heard. I've heard that once you get to that right hold, it's not over. So, I hope they're lying. So check this out. What's great about these Mad Rock pads is this. Check out this trick right here. You see these openings here? I'm sure we all know that it's pretty bad for your ankles. So this is what's great about these pads. You can close these openings, so that's awesome. Because in the past I've twisted my ankle before, so I tried to avoid it as much as possible.
Twisting your ankle?
Yeah, I twist my ankle a lot, and I think that's because from skateboarding. So I guess they're a lot weaker. That's what I'm assuming. Brent, did you know about this?
No.
See, Brent didn't even know either. So yeah. So that's what's great about it.
There you go. Rock entry tips.
Yeah, alright. Brent, you go first.
What?
You're first, homie.
Why? Alright, I'll show you how it's done.
Yeah, show me how it's done.
Come on.
That's so hard.
You know what I mean? You just can't pull.
So that was my first attempt and Brent's first attempt. So let's talk about how we feel about the first attempt, because this is a project we want to get. It's a good climb. How do you feel for your first attempt?
I feel like I did everything the way I wanted to do it, and it didn't help.
Okay. So for me, this is the first time I feel like I can like really hold my left hand. So I feel good. But like Brent said earlier, I don't feel like I can pull though. Like I get stuck like this.
Yeah.
So, you know, we're gonna have to pull somehow, dude. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know how, but we're gonna
I don't know
have to
if
pull.
we're just not trying hard enough or what. Maybe we have to. Maybe we're just not warm yet. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe. But
Maybe change the beta too. I don't know.
change the beta maybe. We gotta just probably pull.
Yeah.
Like just pull on
Maybe we
it.
need to try harder. That's it.
Maybe we need to try harder, yeah.
Because
So
yeah, I think if we get that hold, it's over. So
I don't know, man. I heard if you get that hold, it's not over.
yeah,
I hope it is over once we get that hold. We'll
it's gonna
see.
be over for me.
All right, so next clips are probably gonna be me and Brent falling, so or sanding. What do you think?
Cue the music.
Cue the music. Dude, by the way, we need a brush stick for that. So we have a brush and we have a stick. Brush stick. There you go.
What about stick brush?
Ah. Cross over. I can't reach, dude. Alright, Brent, you're taller. Hey, Brent. What keeps you motivated?
Ozzy. Can't let him get stronger than me.
It's such a strong left-hand crimp climb. How do you feel about your progress, Brent?
I feel pretty comfortable with the climb, for sure. Problem is, I think we were using the wrong foot beta, and we got too tired to do anything.
Yeah.
about it.
Yeah, because, you know, I'm like, it's your left hand that's tired, right? Yeah, same here. So all of this is tired right now. But I wanted to share with you guys one of my projects at Stoney Point, and this is really difficult for me. Really, really hard right now. And yeah, this is part one. Hopefully part two comes soon enough when we send it. When we get a send train. And but it's tough, man. Being outdoors again after quarantine is so tough. Yeah, man. And if you want to see more videos like this outdoors, let me know and I'll post them. All right, bye.